This is our MIDI 4-in-1 HIFU machine. It combines with NFU and RF and microneedle and ice hammer technologies. It is multifunctional. Use it, we can easily achieve face lifting, wrinkle removal, anti-aging, facial contouring, body slimming, and body shaping, and acne treatment, acne scar removal, stretch mask removal effect. This is SD handle. Here are screen. We can adjust the parameters on the handle. And we can also adjust the parameters on the screen. We need to adjust the parameters according to customers' skin situation and feelings. This is SD handles. We need to adjust the parameters according to customers' skin situation and feelings. This is RF microneedle fractional machine. We need to click it and adjust the parameters according to customer skin situation. This is ice hammer. We could use it after treatment for remove redness and swelling. These are the cartridges of the machine. This is RF microneedle handles teeth. It has 4 types of teeth: 10 pins, 25 pins, 64 pins, and nano pins. This is FL handles cartridges. It has 6 types of different depths. This is SD handles cartridges. It has 4 types of different depths. Now we will explain how to install the machine. First, we need to install the hanging rod. Install the FL cartridges. Make sure it's tightly, and then put it on the hanging rod. Look, this is blue color. Find the blue color jazz and then install it. Then install the SD cartridges. Put it on the hanging rod. This is gray color. Find the gray color jazz and then install. We install the RF microneedle handle teeth. This is the tube. We need to connect it. And then put it on the hanging rod. Look, this is green color. Find the green color jazz, install it. Install the ice hammer handle. Put it on the hanging rod. Install it. Finally, install the pedals. Okay, the machine is installed. Now let's draw the face of this operation first. Line the corners of your mouth 1 finger outward. Then connect it to this eye and draw it. Draw lines inwards about 2 fingers from the ear. Now let's draw the operation grid in this outline. For the face, we use 3 and 4.5 cartridges. Let's use 4.5 cartridges to demonstrate this first. Look at the point, the length, underline the length of the cartridge, draw vertically, then connect at. This is a vertical operation. The method of horizontal operation also draw lines according to cartridge's length, then connect. When operating after the energy is emitting, then moved. Repeat this fixed point operation. To manipulate the forehead, we need to avoid the middle of the forehead. Between two eyebrows, make a cross so this place cannot operate. Draw a line from the eyebrows. Do not operate inside the bit. You can work with a finger out of the scale. Draw a line connected. This can be operated. Line the length of the cartridge just about to position. Draw horizontal operation line and connect. When operating, the client's eyebrows should be lifting. Bring it up for operation. Chin uses a 2 cartridge. Draw this place on the chin. Connect to this face and this thread. Then draw according to the cartridge length about to position. Lift up. Avoid the slow. Operate the neck here. This slow should be avoided. This place to make a cross, do not operate too. Also draw lines along the length of the cartridge. Avoid this place behind here. Don't operate. Then underline vertically. Draw a line and mark it. SD cartridges operation, let's just go like this. The way to lift it up in circles, it should be close to the skin operate and bring it up. We can use fixed point operation. It's usually done in circles and then lift it up, mainly to improve this upper muscle. Bring it up. Repeat the steps. Clean the client's skin first, then apply anesthetic about 30 minutes. Sterilize skin before treatment. Use serum or other products after disinfection. Apply evenly. Grip the handle close to your skin. Hold your finger down on the start button, then press the button to start. Fixed point operation, then move, moving from grid to grid. The whole face can be operated 2 to 3 times, and the parts with large pores can be operated more than once. The whole face operation should be over in about 20 to 30 minutes. Complete the operation. Use an ice hammer for sedative repair about 10 to 15 minutes. Then apply a medical mask for about 20 minutes.